The workmanship on this flat is disgusting. This is the workmanship on the counter. Well, look at it. Look at that. 7 months of void. Probably going behind radiators. When I first came here to view this flat, there was one of them there, and tiles all the way up. And what they've done is just ripped the tiles off and bodged it. And here runs into the shower. Should be an extractor fan of some kind. Was told that no covers on the pipes. Look at the quality of the ceiling. Oh my God. Don't know if you can see it in the camera. I don't know, let's see if you can see it. You can't see it. It's a different shade. I've got to take a photograph because it's a different shade. It's all patchy. Let's see if maybe there you can see. See the patchiness. Look at that. Yeah. Look at the patchiness. Fucking disgusting. Beyond the radiator. Yeah, again. They did say put your plugs in. Well, that was offset there anyway. Oh my God. The noise. That would drive me mad. Shower room. Soaking wet. Flood. There's so much water in there where the drains are blocked. And I'm pleased I've got a shower room. This extractor fan here is blowing air inwards. So it should be sucking the air, not blowing the air in. Anyway, this is wired up wrong. One sort of style plug there, and the other one flushing. Oh, look at that corner, man. Talk about dampness. Yeah, again, this is blowing air in. This is blowing air in, not sucking it out. This should be sucking the air. No covering for radiators. New windows. Oh, no locks. No locks, none of the windows. Good quality work. I've waited 7 months for this void. It's disgusting. I mean, oh, look at that. Look at the wall plug there. The finishing on the walls, but the flood, come on, it's water, well, it hasn't been draining, well, it hasn't, oh. Lovely radiator, lovely, beautiful radiator. The floor is flooded. It's all water on the floor. And that construction fan is blowing air in. I've got a tissue to show you. More push-ups. No key. Got a key for that. Look at that. Look at the workmanship. I mean, come on there. Look at the workmanship. Oh, it gets worse, isn't it? Look at this. Quality. I was led to believe that Tower Hamlet had a standard of quality to improve new houses. It is a shambles. I've waited 7 months for this. I'm so happy that I've got it. But I could have paid someone £300-400 and done a better job, and it would have been done months ago. Yeah. It takes so long to this void. Paid £300 a week rent for me to live in a bedsit infested with mice. That most of the stuff is in the front room because it was semi-furnished. So I had to throw my bed and stuff away. It's disgusting. And then when I do get this flat, I mean, there's a bucket. I don't know, is that a welcoming bucket? Was that, you know, welcome to the new home bucket? That fan up there, okay, that links into the bathroom. It's the shower room. If we suck in there, it's going to suck into the kitchen. What's the point of that? You know, should be an extractor fan sucking the air out. It's going to suck it out and bring it all into the kitchen. I mean, the work. There's a new plug, with an old plug. I mean, yeah, still no key. Is there any key here? New windows, yet there's no keys. Look at that. 7 months. 7 months. Seven months. I've had to wait for this. And believe me, even in my condition, it may have killed me, but I could have done a better job. I mean, the ceiling, I can't believe the ceiling, look at it. Oh, you can see it, look at it. I mean, come on now. Who are these contractors? I can't. I need to sit there. Yeah, look here. We're footprints. Just goes to show, look, that needs drainage needs to be done. But to be very honest with you, I'm so pleased I've got a shower. I'm not going to have a decent wash. But I don't want to swim in it. At least I could fix the drains so there wouldn't be a puddle there. There's a puddle. I mean, look at the workmanship on the walls, I mean, the cracks and stuff. I mean, then it's blowing out. Blowing air in. And the noise. Imagine this noise all night long would drive me mad. See that? She's going out there somewhere. Unless they put it, so that runs straight into the shower room, then it carries on running. And that goes into the kitchen. And these are blowing in air, so that means they're sucking air from the kitchen, sucking it into the shower room. There should be an extractor, it's taking the steam out Not blowing it in. Let me switch it off. Everything goes up. Let me switch the electric off. Oh, well, there you go. New fuse box, O switches, heater, boiler, ventilation fan. Oh, look at what machine, look at that. Welcome to Tower Hamlet's Quality Homes. We're here to improve the homes, the standards of living. They're taking a piss. That's a shame. They promised new windows, which they delivered. Promised a new door, which is the same. They had to wait 8 months, 7 months. Still waiting now. Then it's in the void. And it's still not done properly. But I don't care. I want to come in and do a better job myself. I pay someone to do a better job. Just makes you think what sort of contractors they're getting in to undertake the work here. It's made me ill. I'm on my oxygen machine, as you can see. And then I've got my nebuliser there, because I suffer from chronic asthma. Got a heart condition as well. But this is not right. I mean, there's still loads of faults in this flat, but I don't care. But I will make a complaint and say, look, what a waste. In fact, I might have sent this video to Cameron and Boris, and even stick it on YouTube, along with a further video where I've been living for the last 7 months in a bedsit in one room, no kitchen. Well, you'll see the video. Infested with mice, you know, walking around, it's disgusting. So my health has deteriorated, but no thanks to Tower Hamlets, you know, and it's a shame. And when you do complain and go to the East London Life, though it's a paper, it's a conflict of interest, I say, because that paper is how well popular Harker is and how well Tower Hamlets are doing, making the area a more safer place, better homes, better quality of homes. You see for yourself. That's a shambles. Anyway, I need to go and sit in my car before I collapse. I'll keep you updated.